Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great swimming day. And I swim laps generally every weekend now, and very important for me is to have some sort of entertainment when I'm swimming. So I usually now just listen to MP3 songs, and it works well, but after a while it kind of gets boring. So I also was starting to look for a new device because the one I've had for quite a while. While it still works, it's just not that loud, so I wanted to see what else was out there, and I came across another website that had about the top MP3 players. And so I came across this MP3 player. Reviews are, you could see 5 stars, and it has FM too, which is cool. But I called the company, and they said, hey, we just came out with this new one, which allows you to stream music from your phone through Bluetooth. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is so awesome. So now I can listen to my XM satellite radio. Also, you can use Spotify. You can listen to podcasts. So when you're swimming, you don't have to hear the same thing over and over again, as I've been listening to the same music. While it's good, but it's nice now that I'll be able to listen to what I really want. And what's also awesome is it comes from the same company, which got great reviews. It goes up to 50 yards across the surface of a pool. For me, it's 25 yards. So it would be perfect. And as you can see here, it's got a 1-year warranty, includes waterproof Bluetooth streamer, headphones, the charging cord. So this will give you an idea. So it's kind of long and tall. That will give you an idea what's swimming on it. So I'm really excited. I'll be doing a review. I just ordered it. You could put a link where you can get more information here. I'll have all the details of the description, your FAQ and all that good stuff. No reviews yet, but there will be plenty, and I know I'm excited to share my review. Just click on the link below where you can get more information, and I'll also put a link to this product where you can, if you decide this one is a better fit for you, you can order that one as well. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, but if you've never used entertainment, listening to an audiobook or music, whatever it might be, while swimming, it's going to be a game changer for you. I'll tell you, it will be so worth it. You'll be so glad you have something like this. All right, everybody, have a great day. Happy swimming, and WARRANTI, I am excited about getting your product. Hopefully you get here sooner than later. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching.